What is up everyone, it is Nick from Aussie Money Man. Now if you're new to this video, which I know a lot of you are, you came from that recent feature on Channel 9, which was really awesome. I was really lucky to get that, which if you haven't seen, by the way, I'll link down below in the featured section. Please make sure you download the free ebook on Market Research, which I've already done. I know a lot of you have, about 450 of you have already downloaded that ebook, so please chuck this video a like so we can reach at least 100 likes. That's the goal for this video. Alright guys, so what I'm going to be doing different in this video to what's in the ebook is I'm actually going to be showing you guys some of the market research I've done and how much money I've actually made from market research. Now, I've been doing these since I was 16, so these are just the ones I can remember, and it totals to about $3,000 just from the ones that I could note down here, which I'll put up on the screen as I go through a few of them. I won't go through all of them because, as you guys do know, I do have a blog version of these videos that I make, which I'll link down below. By the way guys, quick side note, if you haven't subscribed, make sure you do. Make sure you hit the notification bell because I'll be actually doing a 2,000 subscriber giveaway. I was meant to do it at 1,000 but I missed it because we grew so quick, which is a good problem to have. So make sure you hit subscribe and hit the notification bell so you know when the videos come out. Alright guys, so just a quick survey. If you've downloaded the ebook already, please comment yes, and if you haven't, please comment no, just so I sort of know what's going on there, because I'm not sure if people are just heading to my site via other socials such as Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest, which I actually have more followers on than I do on YouTube, and just downloading the ebook, or if it's actually you guys. So if you could just do that, that would be great. Alright guys, so let's jump into it. The first one that I've done that I want to mention was a set of 2 3-hour forums, so 6 hours, and I got paid $500 for that. And I literally just sat there. I got free food for this, mind you, so it's literally free meals, and it's $500. So you divide that up, and that's about $83.33 per hour. Actually, very specifically, it's $83.33 per hour. Now guys, before I go any further, I just want to let you guys know I've been banned from about 24 of these by telling you guys about them. Apparently they don't want me to do that, so please make sure you do subscribe, like, and comment for that reason. Also guys, I've done something a little bit different and I've created a Facebook group where I'm actually going to be sharing the market research opportunities that I find in that group for you guys. So feel free to join that down below, and also be in the section of groups. I've got one for P2P lending and e-commerce as well, if that's something you're interested in. If not, don't bother joining them, it will be irrelevant. But if that is something you're interested in, feel free to join them. It's obviously completely free. I just share the stuff that I find because basically it's similar to the reason I made this channel. I spend a lot of time concentrating on finances and money and business and all these different things, so I figured I might as well just share it with everyone because it's 90% of my day, so why not share it? It takes me literally about maybe 40-50 minutes a day just to share it, and obviously I get a lot of good feedback for that, which makes it well worth my time. Alright guys, so a few other ones I've done include things like trying a new Coke flavor, which I can't mention exactly what that is, of course, and that was about 30 to 45 minutes and that was about $70. I've done plenty of them at about 30 minutes Skype interviews, and that's 70 all the way up to $120 an hour. I've done some in-person ones where you get to try things like chocolates and alcohol and you get paid stupidly good rates for it. It's like 70-80 bucks an hour. Sometimes it's up to 120 bucks for an hour of your time. So it's ridiculously good, and there's so many opportunities. Again, I'll have these up on the screen and I'll link them down below. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. If you haven't followed me on my socials already, my Instagram will be there and maybe my Facebook there. If not, they'll all be down in the description below. So please make sure you do subscribe, hit the notification bell if you like this video, and ask any questions you have. So the reason I made this video is because I got a lot of messages, literally hundreds of messages asking for more information. So download the ebook, join the group, ask any questions you guys have, and I can help you guys with this in particular. And let me know what other videos you guys want to see. I have over 21 completed scripts for videos from things like step-to-step P2P lending, affiliate marketing, e-commerce, stock market, investing. These are all things I do. Swing trading and value investing are the two types I do. Outside of that is not really in my domain. Maybe a little bit of dividend investing. So just let me know what you guys want to see, and if it's in my domain, I can definitely help. As you guys might know from my channel, P2P lending is a bit of my sort of speciality, something I'm involved in. And as always guys, I'm not a financial advisor, so don't take this as such. This is just sort of, I guess, my opinion and what I'm doing. You can look at that and take action on that based on your situation, but of course this isn't tailored to your situation, so legally speaking, not bind. Thanks so much for watching this video.